Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your voice chat or your party chat coming through your TV speakers on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you have a headset on, but for whatever reason you don't want to go ahead and just use the headset, but you want to use the microphone. Well, we can go to settings right here, and then you can go to general, go to TV and display. Then go to the right, and we actually want to go down to volume and audio output right here. Then go to additional options. Then go to headset chat output. So we can switch this from headset over to speakers, and then we can hear our voice chat come through our TV. Otherwise, we have the option for headset and TV speakers, so we can get the voice chat in the headset and the TV speakers at the same time. Now you might have this check mark. You will want to uncheck mark it. It says mute speaker audio when headset is attached. So if you have that turned on, well, you're not going to hear any audio coming out of your TV because it's going to be muted. So just make sure that's on check mark and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.